In this video, I'm going to show you through the steps to manually update your CapCut application to the latest version. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and go to the Settings tab. Locate the version section. Here, you'll see your current version displayed. For example, here, version 5.3. Now tap on the check for update. If a new version is available, the option to install now will appear. Select it to begin the update process. Allow the update to install. Once completed, CapCut will prompt you to restart the application. Restarting ensure all the features of the new version are properly loaded. After reopening CapCut, go back to Settings and check the version section again. Double check that the version displayed is the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully updated CapCut manually. Stay up to date for the best performance and newest features of CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!